Welcome to our next video for San Diego State University faculty to assist with using the Turnitin software system located within Blackboard, the LMS system for the university. And this video is going to concentrate on roster syncing between Turnitin and your course roster, what that is and how to keep that up to date. So to begin with, we've already logged into Blackboard, so if you haven't done that, please go to blackboard.stsu.edu and go ahead and log in. And this will bring you to the My SDSU page. And in the upper left here, you're going to see some tabs. You want to select courses to bring up a list of courses that you're currently teaching or enrolled in. And go ahead and select the course where you have a Turnitin assignment created. And in the lower left, you're going to see a course management area. And underneath that is a control panel. And the second drop down within that control panel is called Course Tools. So go ahead and open that up. And this lists all of the tools available in Blackboard to use. And they're listed alphabetically, which makes it easy to find. And you want to come down to Turnitin assignments. So now we have a list of all of the assignments that we've created in our course for Turnitin. And today we're going to talk specifically about RosterSync function in Turnitin. Now the roster for your courses is imported into Turnitin at the start of your semester automatically from Blackboard. But as faculty know who have taught, rosters can change slightly during the first few weeks of the semester. And the RosterSync function addresses this issue. So as students potentially add or drop your course, you need to keep the roster in Blackboard up to date with the roster that's been sent to Turnitin. And so how we do that is pretty easy, and that's what this RosterSync feature does. So after your course is started, but before your first Turnitin assignment is due, you should check to ensure that your Turnitin roster is accurate. So first, as we've already done, you've logged into SDSU and you open the course, and then open the inbox for an assignment you've created. And so we'll click on an assignment here. And on the right side of the screen, there's some options here: grade mark report, and then roster sync. So that's what we're looking for, the roster sync button. And so very easy. All you need to do at this point is, like we said, before your first assignment is due, you need to come into that assignment and click roster sync. And this just lets the Turnitin roster talk to the Blackboard roster. And now they'll be the same. So the best practice is to check the rosters and perform a roster sync as necessary every time you create a Turnitin assignment in your course. You definitely want to do this before an add drop period ends, and it's probably a good idea to do this every time you have a new assignment in Turnitin. So pretty easy. You come into the assignment, and on the right side of the screen, to recap, find the roster sync button, and what this will do is match up your current roster within Blackboard to the roster that Turnitin has on file for you. So we hope this video was helpful as you use the Turnitin system through the Blackboard LMS system.